Yo, Cass, if somebody give you food and you don't like it, it not taste good, you eat it?
No.
Yo, I go to a restaurant, see? With a veg in our mind. We just been a big case. And we decide so we are go a restaurant. I came to a restaurant, but him never eat before, but me like the food and so I came go there. You see? When the man them share the food and thing. Him take away my take, me take away my take. And we eat off the food.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
When I look on the man plate clean, you know.
Yeah, cool.
So I say, well, they seem like you like the food, you know. Next time I can't carry back here, the man said, I come back here. I said, why you mean? I say, food tastes like shit. So I said to the man, say, clear up it, man, say, yo, you wanna, but just don't waste food. I'm not coming back here.
Yeah, I agree with you.
I say, yo, bro, no matter how much, me not like waste food. If the food is nice, me not eat it.
No, sir.
Me not eat it.
No, I'm not wasting.
And Mr. Gentleman, towards the other line, I tell you can tag yourself.